Chà, ý giờ nếu một tu lấy một thầy sáu một sĩ tứ nên thế thì bao hai tiền cho cái sĩ tứ thêm ba một sĩ tứ nhột thằng của chàng đó rồi. Okay, so in Tina Mobile, we'll go back at team number 6. This team started in 2002 by Aini Xiong. They are proud to be the 6th generation to continue carrying their dance team title and currently have 15 members. Their goal for this year are to step out of their comfort zones and try new dance styles and techniques, challenge themselves to become better dancers, and most importantly, to build strong and meaningful friendships. They would like to thank their parents for being their #1 fans and MVPs. Their parents go above and beyond so that they can achieve their goals. They would also like to thank their dance instructor, Nikki Bang, for believing in them and sharing her creativity and expertise. Lastly, thank you to the Hmong Wausau Festival Committee and Dance Program Coordinator, Go Sheng, for this opportunity for them and the dance community to showcase what they love to do. Punishment Button and Alto, Minnesota Sunshine! 好，那现在不点到一首这个 Minnesota Sunshine。